bitty cars because at a certain phase I was the little kid. So, you know, we got the Prowler. You got the little Cruiser, the 4x4. Then you got the big PT Cruiser. You got the big Z66. And the rims as big as me kneeling down. That's crazy. You got the Cadillac. You got the Prowler. You think this is a regular excursion from here, and then we do it like this. And sure, you got my brother's name on the seats, my name on the seats. We got Hot Boys, was customized, done in the truck, like 10 DVDs. We just basically play this here when we go into an event or something, you know what I'm saying? Hold like 25 people. I love it. This the Lexus, 2002. Look how it look. You can go in from here. You got speakers everywhere, all in your ear. You got the back, that's just nothing but speakers. You got TV right here, you got TV up there, so it's crazy. This is my Porsche Boxster. I got the black rims. They on 19 because I'm 19 years old and I feel me and my rims are grown. My little hot red Lexus, I love this little baby. That's what I'm riding in today. I'm riding in my little bubble. See, every whip that I own, and I own 50 whips, right? So that means 200 pair of rims. Every last one of them, I could do this. Automatic start.